Let's face it, everyone wants to know the secret to becoming irresistible to women. What if I told you that the answer isn't what you think? It's not about money, looks, or even charm. It's something deeper, something raw. This one harsh truth has the power to make you irresistible to 95.7% of women. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and how to harness it. Welcome to Inner Wellness Us, where we break down life's toughest truths and turn them into tools for success. Today, we're tackling the one harsh truth that will completely change how women see you. Ready? Let's dive in. Segment 1. The harsh truth revealed. Here's the truth. Women don't want a man who needs them. They want a man who is complete on his own. Let that sink in. Women are irresistibly drawn to men who have their own lives, ambitions, and purpose. They don't want to be your reason for living. They want to enhance your life, not be the center of it. And yes, this might sound harsh, but it's the reality. Neediness is a repellent. Confidence, independence, and purpose, that's magnetic. Segment 2. Why this truth matters to women. Let's break it down. Why does being independent make you irresistible to women? It's simple. It triggers their deep psychological instincts. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude strength and stability. Men who can take care of themselves and, by extension, take care of them if needed. When you show that you're emotionally and mentally self-sufficient, it communicates that you're someone they can rely on. It's not just about being confident. It's about being whole. Segment 3. The problem with neediness. Now let's talk about what not to do. Neediness comes in many forms. Constantly seeking validation, over-explaining yourself, or putting her on a pedestal. These behaviors scream insecurity, and insecurity is the fastest way to lose her interest. Here's the harsh truth. If your happiness depends entirely on her approval, you're not in love, you're in fear. And fear is the opposite of attraction. Segment 4. How to embrace this truth. So how do you embody this harsh truth and make yourself irresistible? Here are 3 actionable steps to get started. 3 steps to become irresistible. Women are drawn to men with ambition. What drives you? What are your goals? When you have a purpose, you radiate a sense of direction that's impossible to ignore. Build your confidence. B-roll of a man standing tall, making eye contact in a conversation. Confidence isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel about yourself. Work on your self-esteem. Hit the gym, learn new skills, and surround yourself with people who uplift you. Maintain emotional independence. B-roll of a man meditating or journaling. Learn to regulate your emotions. Whether things go well or not, stay grounded. When you show that you don't rely on others for your emotional stability, you become a pillar of strength. Segment 5. Real-life scenarios that prove this works. Let's look at how this plays out in real life. Here are 3 situations where embracing this truth can change the game. On a date, instead of trying too hard to impress her, focus on being yourself. Talk about your passions, your goals, and what excites you. Women love men who have their own world and invite them into it. When she pulls away, B-roll of a man staying calm as a woman becomes distant. Don't panic or chase her. Focus on yourself instead. When she sees that you're unaffected, it increases her respect and attraction for you. In a long-term relationship, B-roll of a couple supporting each other's goals. Even in committed relationships, maintaining your independence keeps the spark alive. Women want partners, not projects. Segment 6. The balance between independence and connection. Now, let me clarify something important. Being independent doesn't mean being cold or detached. It's about balance. Women want a man who can share his life without losing himself in the process. Show her that you value her, but also show her that you value yourself just as much. That balance is what makes you truly irresistible. Segment 7. Common mistakes to avoid. While independence is key, there are mistakes you need to avoid. Here are 3 big ones. Being too aloof. Don't act disinterested to seem independent. Women want someone who cares but doesn't cling. Overcompensating with arrogance. Confidence isn't arrogance. Stay humble, even as you show your strength. Neglecting emotional availability. Independence doesn't mean shutting her out. Be open, but stay grounded in yourself. So, here's the recap. The harsh truth is that women are irresistibly drawn to men who don't need them, but choose them. When you have a purpose, confidence, and emotional independence, you become the kind of man that 95.7% of women can't resist. Now it's your turn. Start working on yourself and watch how the world, including women, responds. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to Inner Wellness TV. Let me know in the comments, what's one area of your life you're focusing on to build independence? I'd love to hear your thoughts.